Well, today we will study same case as per previous post of JUL 2100F microscope imaging. Researchers from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and some other universities in China synthesized a new high-quality ferroelectric films of strontium aluminum titanium oxide, SaTo, though the solid-state reaction of aluminum nitride and strontium titanate. Let's carefully review a presented image. You can hardly see in the background additional trench-like structures. OEM packages will not be even able to detect them, not speaking about robust and stable measurement. UniMeasure Hub software has possibility not just enhance background signal, but make it fully visible to perform stable measurement through signal enhancement and denoising. We also using in this case multi-layer approach. One layer treating image without image enhancement to detect bright objects. The second layer used for background signal enhancement and denoising. Each measurement performed in the best imaging condition for feature of interest. We are not speaking about practical importance of this case. It is just demonstration of capabilities of UniMeasure Hub to treat and measure almost any image with diminished quality through denoising or restoration. Thank you for attention.